Going for the biggest one or the small one?
Should I go for the bigger one or?
Well, it might be too heavy. I don't know. Look for something that looks like it's loose.
You know what? Yeah.
That's crazy.
I think you have to go for one closer here. So
Try one. Try one more time.
Yeah. I'll go for one closer.
Yeah, because you had it.
I know, I'm good at picking it up. I'm good at it.
Maybe it's rigged to pick it up but then drop it.
Let's see. Let's go for this one.
Yeah, it's rigged.
Picking it up.
Do the race car game.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not taking that picture though.
No, you have
No,
to.
I don't have to.
No, please.
I'm good.
You better smile, girl.
Oh, I get to change it?
Yeah.
Let's go to Jack.
Oh, Madagascar. It's cool.
Oh, sure, why not?
Very cool.
Oh, I was on hard before. You right?
What?
I was on hard before. It was super
Oh, get a truck.
Oh.
Did you see the truck? Oh,
Paint?
change the body. I want to. Well, you're not
Body.
changing the car, so it
Yeah,
doesn't
you
matter.
can change the body. Oh, wait, no.
Can you spruce up the wheels? Okay, that's fine. Smile. No, smile. Oh, so sweet.
Welcome to
Go get 'em.
Madagascar.
Oh, my car is so pretty.
Go get him, Frankie. There it is.
Ready, set,
This car is down my lap.
checkpoint.
Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, you're bypassing it. You just flew over everybody.
I think I'm fine.
How did you do that?
Oh, well, that's what I guess.
Checkpoint.
Oh, this is like Universal Studios.
Yeah. Is there a guy hanging off that bus?
Look out!
Whoa! Come on, go get him.
Checkpoint.
Oh God, don't go in the water, don't go in the water. There's a guy hanging off the bus.
Almost there.
You're almost there. Take the bridge. Oh, oh. Oh, you made second. I knew it. I knew you were going to make second. Oh, that's so awesome. Take a bow. Woohoo.